Got my box. Got my new headlights. Just came in. Ordered them Friday. So put them on. Got them. Finally. So get rid of these ugly ones. And then put my new ones on right now. So let me get you a video. Next clip I'll put them on. Just unboxed them. Look how clean those things are. Man, oh man. I am gonna be very happy. The thing is sick. Look how clean those are. I'm about to put them on the truck right now. Give you next video with them on the truck. Got the new headlights in earlier today, this morning. But to give you a video with both headlights, and got my new tow mirrors on. Love looking at it. Got to get the new bumper. Let me get the 22 by 12s or 20 by 12s. The TSI wheels for it. But it's gonna look nice. Got the projector headlight in here, the high beams. But they're love them. They got the smoke tint to them. Looks pretty good. But what the truck looks like. Looks like right there. Love them headlights. But get the white doors, white fenders, white hood. Just gotta do the bed, the roof. Got the Dirtymax sticker on the windshield. Changed my rims to the TSI's 20 by 12s. Put these wheels on it. Need to get the damn thing running. But slowly but surely, gotta be going. But earlier today, I had walked out the door, my headlights came in. So, ordered them last Friday. So now I got the new headlights in. Got the motor, and I just gotta figure out what's causing it to. I think it's electrical. I think it's a fuse box. But get the motor to start. So you can see the motor's orange and white. Looks sick. I want to get an orange HSP cold air intake. Get an HSP reservoir. Need to clean all the oil. That's all the oil from the old motor. It was dumping them crazy. Big old chunk out of the head on by the combustion chamber. Dumped oil everywhere. But this ain't the grill I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna keep the orange emblem. It ain't actually orange. It's freaking like reddish orange. I have to repaint it because that's orange. See, you can tell two different colors. Do a mesh grill. You cut right here. Put the mesh insert in. Have it black. Get the bodyguard A2 bumper for it with the 30-inch freaking light bar. Be sick. I wanna paint this orange. I got another one. We'll paint the other one orange. That we'll put on here. Paint this orange, or powder coat these orange. Powder coat this. I wish I could put a different intake in it, but when you got a smog, you have all that crap for smog. Typical when you live in California. But I want to do a different piping for your duct pipe for your radiator hose. I want to come right here and go into the top hose neck. Come right here. But yeah, it's the HSP. It's metal. We got the rubber hoses, clamps. And you got a metal pipe, orange pipe that comes right here. And then right here hooks into another rubber hose. It's gonna look sick. Just gotta get her done. But yep, It's gonna look cool. Love the look. White trucks are better. Especially because I got a new gray bumper. But I got the, I'll think about on the window, I'll put, work for it. Put that on, buy that from my Dirtymax Rhino. Put that on it. Then I gotta do a different third brake light because I got the custom tail lights. I gotta get new ones. But yep, got airbags. I'm gonna put on it. Lift the back end up a little bit. I messed my tail lights up. I had the bed off. I had them on the bumper, zip tied. But cracked them. Get only $100. Get new ones. Get a different bumper for it. I'm gonna do a bodyguard bumper too. But yep, I got a different rear with a Megatech, high-tech Megatech diff cover. That's my 8-inch axle dump. Painted it Chevy orange, but it's actually reddish orange. I'm gonna have to redo it. Got the wrong freaking color. Wanted like that part above my radiator support. I'm going to paint that color. But I'm gonna paint the blocks. I'm gonna get those powder coated Chevy orange, both of them. The big old Heim link track bars. Paint those. Thinking about painting the rear end. Paint the rear end white. Not this rear end, but my new rear end. Paint it white. Diff cover be orange on my new rear end with a make a high-tech diff cover. But gonna look sick. Can't wait till I get her done. Get her going though. Show you the inside of my truck. There's my new mirrors. But this is inside. I gotta get a new seat. Got a lot of miles on the seat. The truck's got probably 340,000 miles on it. Got a lot of miles on these. But I painted the dashboard orange. I actually like the reddish orange. Neat. But my dad painted the freaking motor, so I gotta go with that orange. So, but I got that. I'm gonna think about doing these orange, doing this orange, and doing this orange, and think about doing this orange, and this orange, and then I'm gonna think about getting some different seat covers, get some customized seats with some orange. I want the interior to be dark gray and orange. But yep, got the headliner in it. It needs to be cleaned. I got the overhead console out because it broke. But other than that, gotta get a different stereo. I'm gonna get a stereo or steering wheel from my Escalade that has the wood grain right here, and then up here wood grain. Gonna look nice. But I want to get some custom seats that says the Dirtymax on the Dirtymax right here. Be sick. Just gotta get it running, and when I get it running, I'm gonna clean the interior, vacuum it all out, get it all nice and clean. Be looking good. But I can't wait to get it all white. But that's reddish orange. I'm gonna change that. Then the camera it looks orange, but it's reddish orange. It's gonna look sick. Paint match. I want to paint match these to match the paint on the truck. Paint them white, all of it, even this. Paint it all white. And on my kryptonite, I'm gonna paint those orange, Chevy orange. gonna look freaking. It's gonna look nice. But yep, I just wanted to give you a video of the truck. Peace.